Keys on the track. Keys on the track. Keys on the track.
Gang, what's happening, guys? Hemiwife 44 back with another video for you guys. I got baby Hemi in the bag. We're about to get a few things done today. First of all, let me apologize because I think it's been maybe 3-4 days since I posted a video. Had a little busy week going on, but I'm back. If you're looking at this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I want to let you guys know, for some reason, I cannot reply to y'all comments, and I'm so disappointed by that. I'll have to do it on my laptop, but I've been trying to reply to y'all comments, but each time I try to reply, it's a public reply, and it doesn't reply back to that particular person. So I'm going to figure that out so I can start back replying to y'all comments, because I do enjoy y'all feedback, you know, and all that good stuff. So again, if you watch this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Of course, I'm in storm. I had this open, but y'all know light-skinned people, we get washed out sometimes if it's too much light. I am over 16K subscribers, so I'm on my way to 17K. Y'all go ahead and help Hemiwife so we can push all the way to 20K subscribers. Now, that's not the goal, you know, but my next goal was 20K, then 50K, then 100K. So y'all make sure y'all share the videos. Make sure you just comment just to comment, because at the end of the day, YouTube, if they see there's a lot of interaction on the video, they'll push it out a little more. So I'm gonna do my part, but make sure you guys got dope content. Make sure the thumbnail's gonna be bomb. You know, y'all just make sure y'all telling somebody about the channel and y'all share it. Just share a video. You never know who's actually clicking on it. A lot of times I've seen it where people may not necessarily like a post, but that doesn't mean they didn't see the post, you know. So I just want to let y'all know that if you sharing stuff and it doesn't seem like there's any engagement, sometimes people see it, they just don't say nothing. They like, oh, they'll look at it, you know, click on the link, but they're not always engaged by way of comments and likes, you know. But they're clicking on links because people nosy. People love to click on links. So make sure y'all do that for me, and I really appreciate that. Shout out to everybody that's been rocking with me. Thank you guys. I run into a lot of subscribers here and there, people that support the channel, people that support myself, and who support Hemiwife. So thank you guys for that. Now, let's go ahead and get into this video. As y'all know, last week I showed y'all I had a dent and storm. The dent is still there. I'm heading now to go and get an estimate. Well, I'm going to pick up one of the kids from school, and then I'm going to go get an estimate. Comment below. Take a guess on how much you think it's going to cost me to get that dent fixed. Just take a guess how much you think they're going to charge me, and we'll see who got the closest. I would assume they would at least still try to get $1,000 out of me. That's just my opinion. I think if, you know, even if it's something that's not really hard to fix, if you go to like a repair place, collision repair or something like that, and that's my estimate, $1,000 and up. If it's below $1,000, I would be completely shocked. Now, as I told y'all before, I really don't want to file this on my insurance. My deductible will probably be less than what it'll cost me to get it fixed. I'm sure of that, but I just don't want to. You know, sometimes you just don't want to file it on your insurance. I can't explain it, but somebody watching this video, y'all understand and y'all know that you don't just be quick to file stuff on your insurance like that. Now, my father-in-law, he does believe he can knock this dent out. So if it's really high, and I want to give him a chance to knock it out, because in my opinion, if you can reach up under there and knock the dent out without it being a scratch, you know, that may be the best thing. I don't think it'll be as smooth though. So we'll have to see. Y'all just stay tuned to the next clip. When I turn the camera back on, we'll be at the collision repair shop. So we're here at the collision center now. I'm gonna get out. This is just a little place Hemiwife told me about. Oh my God, look who's ready. He ready to get out that car seat. What?
Subscribe to King Caleb 123.
Subscribe to King Caleb 123. I wanted somebody to look at this dent and just give me maybe an estimate of how much it'll cost me to knock it out. Can I just stick my hand up under here and just pull it out?
I don't think so.
Not that simple?
No.
Okay.
It's a heavy duty.
Oh, okay. So I can't knock it out myself. Okay.
No, I need a fixing. I need to paint the complete fender.
Oh, you gonna have to get a new fender and then paint it?
No. I'm painting.
Unpaint
I'm painting
it?
the complete
Oh.
fender. That one I can fix it. That one, so I can paint it.
Yeah, I guess so. I was gonna say I would take it to the wrap shop and let them wrap it, but yeah, it'll probably be best to. Okay.
This is for the insurance or out of pocket?
Out of pocket.
Yeah, I can do it.
I don't need a new one of these too.
No, I can fix it that one.
So guys, he's going to fix this for me as well as this. And he said it'll take him about 3 days to fix it. Y'all just guess to see how much it is. I don't even know if I want to tell y'all or not. But it's not going to be on my insurance. I'm going to go ahead and pay it out of pocket. Baby Hemi just couldn't wait to get out the car. What is wrong? You're in there fussing. Oh, he telling it on you, Caleb. Here, tie his shoes. Tie his shoes up for me. Tie his shoes. Tie his shoes up for me. That's the dent that Mama had. So I'll pay that money to get it fixed. You know, I definitely need to.
This is the first time having a long.
Right, because I don't typically do that. He actually told me he would charge me $600 to fix both. You know, I'm definitely going to pay it and get this fixed so I can have Storm looking back normal, looking good. And then, of course, y'all know I need to paint the rims again. You know, just go ahead and wrap the whole car. So I'm kind of anxious. He said he can get me in probably next week sometime, but guys, we need to go ahead and get this done so I can have this car looking A1 again. It's definitely time to step it up. I'm just ready to just get this car looking the way I envision it to look in my mind. Not that my car don't look good, let me be clear. This is normal. This will normally start chipping when you go get your car washed and just regular wear and tear. Y'all excuse me, I got a lot of length in hair. Y'all know black is hard to keep that lint off of you, especially when you got a dog. But this is normal wear and tear. Anybody who got their rims painted, that right there is gonna automatically chip. I don't know if it's because I'm taking it through the car wash, but that is normal. But it's not normal for me. So now I know when you paint your rims, it's gonna chip and you're gonna have to get them repainted. And according to JD, he was telling me his rims, all the paint did come off right there as well. So that really just kind of looked tacky to me. I really don't like that. Like, I just hate to see chipping rims. You know, to me, even with my fingernails, the paint is on or it's off. There's no in between. So guys, we're gonna get out of here. Now that I have the estimate, now we have a date and time where I'm gonna drop the car. We're gonna go ahead and get out of here and get some things done. I got the kiddos with me. Subscribe to who?
No. We're gonna go home.
We're gonna go home? Okay, they think we're going home. Baby Hemi, where are you going? Why is you running around the car? I'm thinking he gonna run near the street over here. Tell him what you got to say about it. You gonna take my camera? Okay, hold on. You can pop it out.
Yeah, you can go by that. Pop it out. Can make myself.
Okay.
You going to get doodle?
I can go get him. All right, guys. So my father-in-law said he can pop this out for me. He said don't pay $450 to get it popped out. He can do it. 44 gang, what's going on, guys? So as y'all can see, it's a new day. I had to come in and make an ending to this video because I did not make one yesterday, which that happens a lot when you do YouTube. Sometimes you pull your clips together, you're like, wait a minute, did I do that ending? So I did make an ending. I want to go ahead and end this video now. As y'all see, y'all like, wait a minute, her hair is different. Y'all know I had to come through with the different hair. New day, new me. Okay. All right, guys. Look, what are you doing? My house is kind of a mess, guys. Y'all know we got the boys. Baby Hemi. King. What are you doing? Oh, nothing. So I had to get out today and get some things done per usual. Now I am gonna go ahead and start a video of me going to my father-in-law house. Caleb. Hold on, guys. This is what homeschool looks like. Well, actually, he's on flex learning. He's on flex. Hold on, I'm trying to turn this off. Caleb is actually on flex learning, so you kind of do it as needed. And it's not necessarily you have to be on Zoom or anything, but this is what homeschool looks like. That's why I'm about to kick them out of the house. Like I was saying, my father-in-law, he wants to try to pull the dent out. Now, normally I'm like, Let's let a professional do it. But I think I'm gonna let him give it a try. He wants to pull it out. He wants to try to pop it out. Not pull it out, but pop it out. So I'm probably gonna let him try to pop the dent out. We'll give him a chance. The guy in the video, there was a guy that was talking. He wasn't on camera. He pulled up. He's a mechanic himself. He said that I shouldn't pay $450 for someone to pop a dent out. He was like, not that kind of dent, because the paint is not damaged. He feels that we can just do it ourselves. So I'll go ahead and head over there. Hemiwife is out making content, so I'll let, I was about to say Papa Hemi, Daddy Hemi. I'll let my father-in-law, you know, take a shot at it and see if he can pop it out. And I'll make a video. We'll see if he, you know, how he does. I'll go ahead and film that for you guys. Why are you on the counter? Y'all call him Baby Hemi, but this is King. King, stop it. Get down. You know what? It's time for you to go to the daycare. Look at him. Look at him. Say, hey, everybody. You ready to go see Pawpaw? You want to see Pawpaw? Get off the counter. I'm going to head over there now, see if we can get him to take a look at it so I can get my car back. What is this? Did he just waste water on me. Look what you just got on me. He just got this on me. Okay. You know what? Time out. It's time to end this live and get for real, for real. Alright guys, so I'll holler with y'all in the next video. I'll keep y'all posted on that dent and when I'm gonna get my wrap. Like, it's time to stop playing and really get serious. So y'all stay tuned. Make sure you thumbs up this video. Look, y'all, I'm looking at myself. Wait a minute. I'm looking right here instead of looking in the camera, which is something we're going to talk about in the YouTube classes as well. So class information will be dropping soon. We actually got some good news for you guys about the YouTube classes. We decided to make it way more affordable for everybody. Like all of y'all, it's going to be way more affordable, you know, because we know coronavirus is going on. Some people out of work. So we got y'all. Y'all just stay tuned. More information will be dropping this week. We're going to even drop the class this week. And we're going to do it in a series of classes and not just, you know, I'll explain that later. So y'all just make sure y'all stay tuned to Hemiwife 44, Hemilife 44. Go to Hemiwife44.com to get your merch. Also go to Hemilife44.com and copy your merch. Thank y'all to everybody who rocked with us. I'll holler at you guys on the next one. Hemiwife 44, guys. Make sure you like, comment,